happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Come on in.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Whoa. Yeah, it was a trick. We tricked you. Come on in, check it out. You got a cake.
Oh my God.
Check out your cake.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at the doggy on there. Oh my goodness.
Make a wish, friends. Make a wish now.
All right. Yay.
Thank you, guys.
Oh, you're so welcome. It's all them. They did it. Hazel's got her birthday set up here. Just so happens Hazel's birthday is very close to Mercy's birthday. And the gang here put all this together. Check it out. Everybody's here celebrating Hazel's birthday today. Here at Papi's.
Check this out.
Oh, yeah, let me see the little cupcakey. Oh, wow. Uh-oh,
Here.
balloons are falling.
And the four of us.
You got Opie on here.
That's cute.
They got little pictures on these cupcakes. Very cool. All right, as usual, lots of food, so we're gonna dig in. We're hungry. Can't get enough food.
I didn't see this cake. I mean, look at this.
Oh my God.
The latest picture.
Got some little Opie cupcakes. Cupcakes. Couldn't leave Opie out, right?
Couldn't leave Opie out.
So cute. Time to eat, everybody. Let's dig in. Picture time. Always picture time. No, let's eat first. You gotta eat first. All right, all the picture taking's over. It's time to eat. Let's tear it up. Let's see what we got here. We got some barbecue chicken. Oh yeah, barbecue chicken. We got some chow pan rice. Of course, we got the white rice.
Yeah.
We got some.
Do we make these?
I'm sorry.
These two?
We have some chicken cordon bleu, siomai, and what's this, Frank?
Ensalada.
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 Yeah, special ensalada here with some salted egg on it. Got some siomai.
Oh my. And this one is
Chicken cordon bleu, right?
blue.
All right. Looks good. I'm ready to eat. I'm gonna take another look at this barbecue chicken. Oh man, that looks delicious. Of course, you gotta have the pancit. It's not complete without pancit. Ooh, what do we have here now? We got a plate made for chicken and rice and pancit. You got a little everything. And I see you made me a plate. Nice. Wow. Check it out. Check it out, guys. Mercy made me a plate. Cool.
Yeah, last night I received some
Hate mail? She got some hate mail last time. You didn't make this guy a plate. Wow, check that out. Good girl. How's everything over there, Ruth? I'm gonna catch you mid-bite.
It's good.
It's good. Yeah, looks like it. Looks like we're going through it pretty good already. Give Drake a bunch of that pancit and that egg salad. Don't give him anything that he likes.
Let me just close my
Get some of this. Yeah, just get some of this right here. I know you want some.
You know what? Hard pass.
Hard pass. Yeah, get some of that rice.
This looks just like the Chowking rice.
It does.
And
Chow.
I love Chowking rice.
Yep, that looks good. A little fried rice.
Chef Jomer made this, right?
Yeah, Chef Jomer made that and the chicken.
Shout out to Chef Jomer.
Yeah, and he made this veggie salad too. Frank said that's Hazel's favorite.
Well, you know what?
And I don't know.
It looks delicious for what it is. It's just not my thing.
Well, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna have to.
That is very good.
Did you already try?
Actually, I tried, yeah.
Yeah. What's it taste like?
It has a little fishy, but it's good.
A little fishy.
Yeah, like it has some kind of fish.
Little fish sauce.
Fish sauce, yeah.
Everybody's laughing over here. It's a little fishy. Nothing like a fishy salad. All right.
It's good, believe me.
Some
All right,
of my favorite things are fishy.
I'm gonna dig. I knew that was coming. Did you hear that in the background? What do you have, Glidell? Oh, look at that. Glidell brought a little gift. Glidell's got a nice little gift bag here for Hazel.
It's a money.
It's a box of money. It's a box of funny money.
Oh, it's a mug.
Oh, you got one of those black mugs too.
Let's check.
Well, you put I tell you right now what happens. You put hot water in them. You may have saw that last video. I don't know.
Maybe it's Opie.
No, that's me and Mercy. It's the same cup as she bought two. The same mug we got with our picture on it. Because you got one, buy one, take one. So why not?
Because every morning when you take a drink,
That's some hot water.
Yeah, we got to throw some hot water in there. The reveal.
girls, can we get some hot water for the reveal?
The mug reveal.
Boy or girl?
Huh?
Boy or girl? What's it gonna be, Hazel? Boy or girl? Which one is it? Oh, what's in there? Boy or girl?
These gonna be twins.
Twins, one of each.
One of each.
It's a boy. It's a niño, niño.
It's a 12-pound baby.
Duck Diggler.
I crapped out the duck.
There's too many boys in here.
How many months? 10 months.
10? 10? Not even 9? Not even 9? Who went to 10?
It's a 10.
Oh my gosh. You're overdue.
Got a bad feeling about her schedule next week.
Bad feeling about the schedule. Oh my God. 10 months, huh? Wow. I don't know if I've ever seen anybody go 10 months. You ready to pop?
Ready?
Say sorry.
Why is it come up here?
Oh my goodness. Let's see what we got going up here, Hazel. Let's see what comes out when you do the miracle.
It's a girl or it's a boy?
Boy, we're gonna see the reveal here. It's a boy or a girl?
All the way to the top.
It's a duck.
That looks pretty hot.
All the way up.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. And he's a bad boy.
He's a bad boy. Oh, you had a dog. You had an Opie.
It's Opie, Chalky Opie.
Chucky Opie. Oh my
Opie in his Chucky suit.
I wonder what's
It's so cute.
boy.
Oh, there we
It's
go.
gonna be a good day. What's on the back?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Glido.
That's very cool. The family portrait here.
That's nice.
I like those cups. Very cool.
Very, very cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Glido.
Thank you, darling.
I told you it's a boy.
Yeah.
Cutting of the cake time.
It's a wedding.
It's a wedding cake.
Oh, you got to do it together.
I'm being forced into this. Just
By knife point?
Just like the marriage.
No.
You being forced into this, huh? Look at
You
this.
tricked me
Oh, you got tricked?
for 10 years.
10-year. That's a 10-year trick.
Look over
It's gotta go right through your face.
Oh
All
no.
right, yeah. Go down.
Oh, right in half.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
Oh, well,
That's a big piece of cake.
comes off like that. Little tight.
Yeah, it's like a
Eat her.
eat Hazel. Eat Hazel's face.
In public?
No.
This, I mean, that's icing. I said, but this just looks like paper.
It's eatable. It's eatable.
Yeah.
How's it taste?
Like pure sugar.
Good answer.
Where's my insulin?
That's a big old slice of cake.
For you and me, Lovey.
Oh, we're gonna share? All right, good. 'Cause I don't need all that sugar.
It's okay.
Oh, good catch.
I know it's gonna happen.
Everybody share this one.
Hey guys, Mercy, believe it or not, has met someone here. A fellow you could take her. Check it out. Where are you guys from?
Well, right now I live in California.
California.
Yeah, but I'm originally from Mexico. Yeah, I'm born and raised in Mexico.
And from Merida.
Yeah.
Beautiful. What are you eating there? Apple pie?
Actually, yeah. Well, I was done with my burrito, but yeah, that's an apple.
Oh, you had a little left over. Well,
Yeah.
welcome, guys.
Thank
So
you.
glad to meet you. Is very happy to
When he
meet.
told me he was living in Merida for 13 years, I was like, I want to jump and hug him, but I want to
Didn't know what his girlfriend would think about that, right?
No, but I'm very happy. Very,
I'm
very
sure
happy.
you
Thank
are.
you. Yes.
Yeah.
Tacos al pastor. That's my favorite.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah. All the what's the place we like? Los Trompos.
Oh, los trompos.
Yeah.
We're in downtown in
They're all over the place
all
now.
over the place.
Yeah, they're all over. Yeah, very good.
Circuito Colonias.
Circuito Colonias,
Do you go to the Tucho?
he knows everything.
Yeah, been there. Yeah, we stayed there. They spent a lot of time there, visited there many years.
Yeah.
But then the last time we went, we stayed about what, 7, 8 months or something? 4 months. Oh, total 8 months.
I was in Manila for around like 6 months ago. Yeah, because I have family. My uncle. His family,
Guys, it's a small world over here. You meet people from everywhere, but then when you meet them from hometown, Mexico, really something. Alrighty, guys, we have some folks here from Alaska. Anchorage, Alaska, all the way here to the Philippines. Brought the cold with you.
Yes.
I haven't felt it yet, though. Let me take a look at that burger you just got. Oh my goodness, that's standing tall.
Look at that.
Wow, you're gonna be able to eat that?
I got big pockets.
Big pockets. Oh my goodness. I hope you have more than big pockets. You guys want to introduce yourselves to everyone?
I'm Mark.
Mark?
This is my wife Elsa.
Mark and Elsa.
I'm here every year. We travel back and forth to the Philippines.
First time at Papi's though.
But first time.
And I see you came bearing gifts.
Yes. We of course, when we're subscribers, we know about your wall over there with all the license plates.
Check it out.
I
Yeah.
had to bring one.
Got me a real Alaska plate here.
So there's a story about this.
All right.
When my son will see, he'll be surprised because he sold his BMW with this name tag, license plate, and I grab it.
You took it off his car?
Does he know you have it? Because you can put it on your wall.
Well, I appreciate that. Now your son will be like looking at the video and saying, "There's my plate halfway around the world."
That's true.
All right. Well, thank you very much, guys. And also, I see you brought me some kind of
Yes, Alaska Oil Company.
Alaska Oil Company hat. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it's a little tight.
It's for me, Papi. That's
Oh, that's why it's fitted for you. All right, I'll edit all this.
I'll give you another one.
All right, let's see how it looks. There we go. Looks good. Like it. Thank you very much, guys. I'll wear this one in my next 20 videos. So over the next year, you'll see me wearing this hat. Since that's all I make a year now. So we have another birthday girl here today. Introduce yourself to us.
Hi, my name is Mellie and I came from Alaska. My first time at Papi's, and I feel the sincerity and friendship and hospitality of all the faces that are here today, including the staff and managers and owners and everything. Like, so I'm really thankful that you guys invited us over here with a warm heart.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So yeah, I see you got some beautiful pancit here.
Yeah.
Some chicken tinola. Oh my goodness. Here's everybody. Thank you very much.
There's another one coming.
You got more coming. Okay.
Well, let's let him eat that burger before it gets cold.
Eat that while it's hot.
Yeah.
We'll leave you alone. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Hey guys, thank you for joining us on the video today. We had a great birthday party here with Hazel.
Yeah,
happy birthday.
Thank you, Eric and Mercy, and all our staff and Rick and Papi's.
Yes, they are
Appreciate
very
all of you.
nice.
Thank you so much.
Those guys are great.
Yes.
They always take care of us.
Yes.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the next video.
See ya!